Once you start talking something emotional,
Yeah.
she wouldn't cry in front of you. She wanna cry in your shoulder, you know. I'll always have a care. Cause she was like, I thought I was just taking her for a ride. Ngizobhodla indaba kaMelisa noThobeka ke. Mama manje ukuthi uzothola umthwalo abantu abawuthu. Bekungcono ukuthobeka kuphela because kwakuMelisa yethu. UMelisa noThobeka.
Hey my vela usune mindset ebheda ngoba
Yabona nto because and uma wakhe by the time mina naye sazama ukucatha lesana raising a daughter together.
Yeah.
And mina I'm in that part of timer that goes to the pockets, so I'm being respected.
Yeah.
Akishitsa mana manje hayi ncinyo izinto zoyibhala ngambe
Baliso kadokotela.
There's more knowledge we handwriting nje and wayihlonipha.
Yeah,
wayihlonipha le handwriting.
Usithatha isikhathi sokubhala kahle.
Hayi ubucabanga mina always wanna think I write. Yabona nto why we say.
Okay bafo izolo sigcine phe sigcine.
Hey izolo beku epic izolo. Wena ungangisiza ungijagile.
Awumeke.
Kube nani bese sibambe embuzweni mase sorry papa yabo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So ugcineni kwi graduation ceremony.
Yes, graduation ceremony where all family and friends are there. Yabona nto le. And like I made everyone proud. Yabona.
Yeah.
But this wasn't about me actually. This was about seeing laba abangithandayo. Because me, I wanted the law.
Yeah.
I wanted the law too. But I had to compromise.
Yini iphusha ekuthanda ukuba ummeli like mawungathi.
My proud. I was like the master of debates. Yeah. Are we winning debates now? Iphutha lelo. Ngoba manje yonke lento wena uyibiza ngama-point ngizoyiphendula yonke lento uyibiza ngama-facts ngizoyiphendula mina nabo ibe nje just ama-opinion le yami iba ama-facts ngenze sure futhi ukuthi ijaji liyakubona lokho yabona lento le uzolivuma bese uyabona ukuthi you're not standing any chance yabona because manje ubhekene nofisha abakhulu yabona lento le I started reading the National Debates of the Year from grade 9.
Hey
9, 10, 11.
Ibanjwelephi?
Ibanjwele Mbizohon. Yenziwa nje unyaka nishane nezikole yabona ukuthi leqala from region wise yabona ukuthi le province igcine uyabona shana ke o number 1 yabona into ikole efana no Joburg hayi Joburg girls but abawumukelayo number 1 ayikwatsho kona ukuthi siphethini because manje ngake nathi okhula kuso umshulo izinsizwa ngempela insizwa ibe negalelo elikhulu ke lezo futhi empilweni yami nje kakhulu
ukhulu ubuso
mfethu lo mfethu ube inspiration kakhulu into yokubona umuntu omnyama isizwe sabantu abamnyama getting there
yabona exposed to abantu aba powerful when you were young. That's bagcina kuma TV.
That's how I wanted to see myself. I wanted to be around those people. I wanted to know how did I wanted to shake hands with them. I wanted to associate more myself with them because that's how I always pictured my life. Teaching was just a step ladder. A step ladder, you know, that's for me to have enough funds. So by the time of me getting graduated, it was just like making my parents happy, getting that income, and then settle. After that, because like the law was mainly like you were Yabo was more passionate about the law in such a way that so I wanted to like that was the thing that I wanted the most. Got that put like was 7 years ngicabanga kahle yayibona imali le wona uyahlanya ngaphela sabantu abamnyama sinokuhlawela into yalabangani bakho bali wena ungazosibhedela wena labona sodlansi nabika so look like wena hlula live teaching labona ngenza realize not in that bad way yabona there's somewhere umuntu oyi-equalizer to every situation. Always make sure that he's the peacemaker yabona into le. Awathandi ukuthi umndeni wakho ube nomsilo yabona. So hey, even i-old lase lithi hayi mina ngeke ngisakwazi ukuthi ngiqhubeke lento, ngiyabona ukuthi imphatha kabi usiya lento. Asimvumela yenze
ilo
yabona nto. Hayi into enkulu yathi hayi
right baba.
Okay amle ngathi
enhloko.
Vele mfethu vele yabona nto le cause vele uyena bese ufaka isinkwa la ekhaya yabona nto le ngalekelela nongumama ngalekelela kodwa it's one change the facts ukuthi uyena kahle kahle
nanokuthi ubaba wakhe angithi understand iphakethe lakhe ukuthi okay lo muntu masemthatha for 7 years simusa kuyilo kunezinto engayisakwazi ukuthi zenzeke la ekhaya umthwalo uzoba mkhulu naye wayebukelela ngokomthwalo wakhe
wayibuka ukuthi from high school yabona nto le and futhi ngangifunda kude yabona so he's more used into that. Can you imagine ama expenses mase thanda ukuthi xaxa egqoka casual ayibona nto le hey
but ubaba kwaza wa investor kuwena ngemfundo
me bro, and he always say that me I wouldn't say I see myself as like I wouldn't lie this okay. I always feel like I failed the nigga. He tried so much yabo but ngisho ukuthi angisafuni ukubona bephoxa efusi angishayi yabona yabo bamabhekezelile mfethu yabo ukuwa komuntu oqala kwefamily owagraduate me bra yabo ngizana leyo memory face ubona isalukwazi nje mfethu yabo ubone only lakho bro when it comes to that part so fucking emotional because well mfethu salukwazi sami yabo kodwa ke ngethemba ke professor now ukhona yabona
hayi manje you are fucking going to fly man. I'm telling you you're flying now.
I wanna big boundaries. Say I wanna give myself that second chance. Yabona I wanna try harder, my bro. I wanna do it for my son. I wanna do it for my daughter. I wanna do it for everyone out there. Telling them with my bro, you can get out. Hold on. I hate myself like this, mfethu. Yabo. Mina ngumuntu ofani ke, yabona. Angizandi. Khuluma ama feelings zami kakhulu. Yabo. Sure. When in this suit is nyana, you just like when yabona nto le that far cause I don't talk about my feelings at all.
No.
Ngiyazazi ukuthi me bra.
I think yona into engiphiwe yona ukuphusha umuntu ngize ngimfakela ngafisa ukufaka khona. But
I don't talk at all.
Yabona
mina ngicela ukwenza ihlaya ukuthi kuzibeke le part ukuthi hey yabona angithi
bafo uma abantu lapha ngikhuluma nabantu like ngiba umuntu omube ebantwini ukuthi hayi uhlekani ubuza imibuzo kanti the time ngikukhulula ukhona ukuthi uziyongena lapho bungafuni ukungena khona because uyabona ukuthi mina I don't judge people.
Hayi mfethu hayi awungazi professor hayi angeke omela kusho singekho ngeke
zingekho zami mina kusho singekho
hayi ngeke mina kusho singekho awu mina mfethu mina I've been living my life making sure that I please my father and I've pleased him until I graduated.
Like
into ya flop ukuyeke ukuthi yena angisabele kakhulu ukuthi ekuse ngibe free. Yabona nto leyo ngiphile life yami angiyeke ngibe ngane. Yabona nto leyo first you wanted me to grow so much. So by the time of me getting a girlfriend, yabona nto leyo. So and then me like being deep experiment
Like
and then we got separated, me and Melissa.
Yeah.
When we got
okay,
separated.
ngifuna uqhubeka from i-graduation la khona ngicabanga ukuthi siphume endleleni khona. You done graduation after lapho?
After the graduation, I started staying in with this girl that was in my life, Melissa, this who came in as a close friend. I started helping there and there. Started falling in love with each other.
Yeah.
She stopped selling her body and stuff. I always want to do good.
Yeah.
I think that's what inspires me to see another day. Anyhow,
no, yazi ngicabangani bafu, imvelo inendlela yayo yokwenza izinto, but most yabantu abahlezi benenhliziyo yokusiza ukuthola ukuthi uma esenenkinga ukuthi usizo
ayaluzeka lelo sizo kumele hayi awubuthi malifika luvete lifike luyilothe enkulu buku ukuthi lolu sizo lufuna ngezinto eziningi ngeke angibone ukuthi ngizokwazi ukulithatha lo yabona into le kanti wena you don't see as ukuthi maybe God is answering your prayers with umthaka lo yabona into le mina ngeke ngisho ukuthi mfethu everything happens for a reason. Yabo, maybe I wouldn't be like this strong. Maybe I would have long like passed because bengumuntu othandayo ukuba around la khona izinto ezisheshayo yabona into le, fast cars, beautiful girls, man. All of those things this were when I was growing up yabona. And then into yashubisa kakhulu ke singaqala ke manje. I'm talking my practicing singakelezisa ke ebuhle bemfundo
uthisha manje.
Sengiphila nje lento le ebifisa uba yabona. Manje it's about going after le bifunwa yimina ke manje because manje isalary yokuqala as abantu abamnyama iyabazali yabona into leyo babonge
kwakumalini.
It was 14K 375 is how I including all the taxes. So I did all this. Then who's the car? No. Ngikwazi ukuba sekhaya la ngekhona ngiyakwazi ukuthi nama workshops uyazi ke nawe ushawazani ngeiva lo izinto abangabanga exposed kuzo nama workshop fana namazi workshop eseThekwini workshop ila hlangana khona osisha yabona nesathu bani usathu manje inyunyana ninde inyunyana futhi ungangeni into zenyunyana yabona ndawo ukugwama kaSanti yabona ndo Silova sikeke sagoga yabona ndo athi yazishawe yini ikheza ngaba ishawanga ubackline umenge walking stick lapho ubackline uyaceka yayibona ndo bese ngicanga umndeni kanjalo but like more of friends than elders yabona ndo le page awungenzela ithi esikhokho sami yabona ento le awusho ngempela umbone njani uZwane wena uyasijwayela uyazi uyangijwayela uAtazwane empela uyazi ngishayisa ngawo wonke amathi uyangibhubhisa wena uhlayelela eThekwini angjani muzi ngilala kanjani mina ayisihamba ke manje anginamali ukugibelisa sihambelise ekhaya mina konkomeza uyazi nje khokho ukuthi khamba kanjani wani kanjani eyangenza into leyo ngikhathaye mina wena ne siya le life lena efana ngabe uyayiphila mfethu ile awukahle mfethu wena uAtazwane wena uyabona nene so mfethu ngiqhamuka umndeni kanjalo mfethu mina mfethu umuntu like sikwazi ukuthi by the time of dinner table even though it was more of white kind of people would see each and every day you have to gather into that dinner table, ask you individually how was your day Swan man, why you so quiet?
My vision yakithini
interest ukama vision is so
yiso zonke izinto ezibuzwayo lezo
ayibona lento leyo ukuthi judging from this course, because we all know you never wanted to be a teacher, I was sure. So yeah, because siyabona ukuthi everything na empilweni yakho is Melissa this, Melissa that. What are we expecting anything maybe from you and Melissa? Nah. She's just a friend with benefits. Yeah, benefits parts yisho inhliziyo wena. I don't yabona lo ubaba umuntu othanda ukujumpa into conclusion. Waluthile lentombazane yakacela. Yabona nto zomuzo sesho njalo wacha. Zomuzo sesho njalo. Uthini ngentombazane yakacela. Ngiyayibona esontweni ngiyafisa futhi ukuthi ngqola nayo ndothana sinazo inkomo phela songaleka thina mina ngiyazi bona fakazi uthi inkomo nazo nawe unazo phela mawezame zakho mfowethu awasapho usho
ufana noyisi mawucabanga uqala ukulala lo muntu wesifazane usumdala ususebenza ungakazi ube exposed eindaweni zabantu besifazane while you were growing.
Lokho ngabambelela kakhulu kuyena, of which yena when by the time she had like from 6 months down the line she had to move to NPS like back home. I was like pets. I didn't really love that girl. I didn't want to like show her that my saying naye futhi naye wayengakaza yetshena ukuthi he was seeing men as trash. Men won't just help you without anything back. Yeah. So by the time I showed that, I eased their hearts.
Yeah.
She like wanted to see my family, so Nina, how come ni babangani? Even my grand asked me like, "Hi boy, how was you? Wapina tombe chomkulu." Mina koko, ongangibizi ngoko kungangijoyide kami. Lokho ngaka. Kuthiwa umamkwena mina nekhaya wena. Ngakhothi umamkwena. Naso ke baby. Awusho umezana mfana wami. Awungani. Umfana wami manje akasavakasha ekhaya more regularly, akasafika Sunday. Bose ngize ngasuka Sunday ngadondolozela ngenxa yakho. Uyajabula manje ukuthi ngiyadondolozela. Hayi bosi yami sondawo ungasho sifashele konke. No ngizokutshela mngani mfethu, it's just in the hawu siyamngani. Hawu uthi mina wena makhosi la. Ufuna ngize ngiflathele. Ufuna ngize ngiflathele. Ngekho umzukulu ngekho nusu. Ufuna ngiflathele. Melissa umthathe lo umgeze mani aphucuzeke mani aphucuzeke abe nomuntu hlele kumuhle mani intombi iphelele mani siya thathe ngitshela mina engcedeni Melissa uyambona futhi unokubona kuya ngathi uyakhanya shame madla ngoba ukhona empilweni yakhe like yabona into leyo first. That's how price she brought to me yabona into leyo
yazi nenzo mana uyazi nenzo somthana kumele ngicathulise ngoba ngicathulisa ngizocathulisa nabanye. Mina ngimningi kakhulu esiZulwini nangendlela thina sikhuliswe ngayo ngesiZulu. So mina ngikhule ekhaya ugogo ngithema ngiqala ukuthi idlwe wangibiza wathi usunayo intombi. Uyazi wengibuziswa yini lento leyo. Wayengafuni ngiqale ukulala nomuntu wesifazane esilungweni ngingalalanga naye ekhaya. Ngoba ngizongaphinde ngibuye ekhaya.
Mfethu
Mina njengamanje ngisho ngafika intombazane ayikho intombazane engaba namandla okungisheka ngoba lento ngiyasemuva.
Uyasemuva yazi intombi wawukhula na.
Yebo uma wena uzoyiqala esilungweni
lento ke ebengawo because that's why she was like forcing to why should they go and she just like chilling sishayele siginelile then we get high and then we get laid. But indawo besofuna siyogadwa mfethu
yena should understand
because mina ngiyazi ukuthi la ngiyakhona more seen as a child yabona nto le mfethu angithathisi umuntu yabona nto le no. They believe they have to introduce each and every big parts ekumele yenzeke empilweni yami yabona lonto le yeah
So manje
impilo yami manje sengizinto emnandi yabona ngishayile lo eshawaye manje ngiyahlanya ngalo top yabona lonto le sengise ngiphoqe lona yabona lonto engithi no akuyona into grand ke leyo angithanda ukuthi ngazeke kanjalo
ukuthi
you've been so good to me yabona lonto le and I wouldn't be selfish.
Okay.
I need you them to have
nansi part fana noyise angithi waqala ungamthanda wagcina usumthanda ngempela naye ethi udlala ingqondo kodwa wagcina sekuthanda ngempela ucansi is more spiritual than physical.
Indeed, my bro, because by the time you get intimacy, that is when you know each other.
Yeah.
Because like what there to be hidden
The
when usungazi yabona
time niphefumulelana inhale umoya wakhe inhale umoya wakho uqonda nenkaba uthi umjuluko wakho uphuma uya kuyena umjuluko wakho uphumuza kuwena that process is a ritual man. That's a ritual.
And like so that's why even like I won't mind.
Yeah.
Mostly that's why I saw you were going to say I don't even know that direction because I'm powerful.
Yeah.
Manje, I don't like to beg because by the time of getting out of my life, I want to so myself I was saying it was God saying that ish. I want yeah, I'm going to Spanish. Yabo? Because very many Spanish, man, we Spanish.
Asingaphuma kule sihlokweni awuqhubeke nje manje uqala ukusebenza apha ngithina usithathe lapha enahlukana khona naye ukuze singaxovela abantu ukudla.
La khona ukuhamba kwakhe empilweni yami uqala ngimbona kuba nemeeting neprincipal ucela transfer yabona
you ngaphandle
without consulting me first yabona nto sengizobuzwa iprincipal wengale yasminera awusumenzeni umngane wakho ngoba bese nje usiphathele kamnandi phathe accounting ine maths bengisisisu happy wenzakalani isimina angazi kani athi she asked transfer why she's going back to NPS hawu madoda ngizwa ngawe mina lo muntu lona we roomies what happened mhlambe khona lana ngaphazana ngakhona kahle mhlambe principal I don't know what should be asking you it mean I wouldn't dare let anything happen to her either way so I'm gonna make sure I get to the bottom of it and now then be fast on that transfer analysis because like I need to know what the hell is happening because I don't know her like this. And I sit down with her, what happened?
No,
so like she never even wanted to say like she even cried and told me it has the most that she has to go. Her parents were very straight, you know. Parents were very straight. They never knew that the Melissa they knew I killed her. And I I report the real Melissa that they raised. And by that, even still I'm not so worse. Except, yeah, he has nothing about what's when mountain tension. After that, ngishaya ngiyavisisa-ke la esifazane
okay
angithi manje phela
kaze khuluma nge transfer letter yahamba phela
indaba transfer letter iphoqa ukuthi
uthi
mangimbuza uthi kuse unezinto ekumele azenze she never told me she had a child she was afraid of all of that thing that she might lose me mina clearly now I'm losing you man you're not losing me you live in me. So what you trying to say? Help me to charge her. No, say I'm understand that. I want to come mini usonipha khulisiko mina ngase ngiarrangelwe even ngisho umshado ngithi mina ini athi ya bese lebhari lana lebhari lena yena ubaba weNkosi samalakele induna unengosi wengisimile ingosi yakho nje yizi come babe what the fuck yabona like ifesu lomsaka even though mina naye singaconnect that much kodwa we both being forced
lesi sihlama lesi sanele sabuyela empilweni yangempela safuna
vele kodwa ke egameni lokuthi kamlungisa and stuff I don't care ukuthi yena she was using me or what I don't care but judging from the experience I got around here yabona into leyo I wouldn't say and she messed me up in such a way that I smoked hot. All of these things that see Shana, Rocky, Kemesi, I wanted more stronger. I wanted to forget her like for real. I started exposing myself with Abafo whom are like drug lords of the ECAS, man. I want to be that 3 to 5% sugar. From number 11 wall. So kwenzakalani ngomfana kafundi ngithi nake indaba zakho so and then uqathi sami oy wenzani lobso yabona skim some wise all of those are my friends who are dead now they've already passed through that life and ngamongo lokulu kakhulu cause bangisindisa kuyona lo mpilo in such a way that ukuhlukumezeka kwami ngomuntu engangimncayo ikona kwangenza ngaba nengane from 2016 nyaka wami wasibili ngiyasebenza and I'm still smoking I completed 2015 Bema yabona ngikana u2016 ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngithi on and off 2016 so uma ngisola uNkosi ngo2015 uNkosi ugokwakathi noma ngathiwa ufunde kanjani anginendaba nalokho angijina fesena silalela don't even get any closer kuthobeka uyangizwa ngoba mekwasondela mfana wami uzokwazi ngalelo la ukuthi indaba injalo lemnyango mina hawo ngempela indaba mangenzeni asilalela uthobeka umisi kuthiwa ingane yakho awunangane mina nothobeka ingane kaThobeka yalomfana walapho kaMkhisa enamatekisi isikole wena wenza ubaba wakho idididi lesa somfundisi lalela angifuni ukuthi ulokusondela eduze ngane yami uyiheza ngoba labangani bakho laba bemoto ebofu there was this 318 convertible my bra bengivela kuyona kanje ngithi ngoyithenga yonke lento uyabona that's how epic I was but there was no fun without me mina so I'm more of like stand up kind of comedian like I'm not like shy and stuff I just like mumble but ukuthi ngisho into ngiyisho I just pep it out anginendaba ukuthi khona bani no like hey kanti fana nawe ngikabe hayibo indaba manje fana siphile libhojozi ngoba sekukhona wena hey kahle wena hayibo hey ubani yena lo usadanse kwaze angazositshena lona sini uyabona nje benginomuntu usho njalo uyasabisa kana ngisibhamu ume ukuthi isibhamu taprawa uyabona benginohlobo le house mina mfethu so of which that's what makes me know so much of these people I know I know motherfuckers who know motherfuckers I chose not to use those kind of motherfuckers because I know what by using them, there's nothing good that's gonna come out. In this Wenzega, it's a bullet in the head. I'm in the streets, not by choice. No, if I was in the streets by choice, Mama Zalawami, he wanted me dead. I freaked another can from the same area, from the same road. And Lenga next one year, getting a young son. I forgot the Mutsi. It's 300 you'll okay I staffed a friend. Yabona?
Yeah.
Mangistaff umngane wakhe from Sobeka to Thobile, uma ngubale to Mamkhulu. Ayizwa lonto.
Yeah.
Mamkhulu uma wakhe, she always see uma wami as like the most peaceful. She's way too peaceful, my bro.
Yeah.
No one their patience. Ngaleka. Ndovukas. Ndonkulu lo yana mfethu. Cause she knows me like ayikho ufuna ungitshena yona. Yabona? She can dig indaba that is itching me inside that I want to tell her, so that's it, and she can tell the king.
Yeah.
And try to ease the hearts of the king. I don't have any guts to talk to the king, but can you just vouch for me? You see, ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi bayeza abantu bakubo. Kale sekeni le. Yabesi abangangubani.
Yes.
Angifuni mawulethe. Yabona. And azongathuka isimanga ukuthi mfethu intwana yami bafika la mina la ePark 2021.
Yeah.
The passing of the grand fika wathi uyasiya uma uthi komuntu kanjani. So abenge ngivethane ngisuke ngisathu Nkosi ngimlethe kini. Cause wamletha esikhomba ukuthi simenzele umsebenzi. Uyagula useyajabulisa lapha ngamnye ubhaka lwakho khona sobeka enze baba awusho pero uqoqa indodana yami mina ngisabi mina athi kuleka zohlome mina wenza njani yenze ngani umsebenzi athi mkwazi baba uyazazi athi asenzela ngoba umunye wethu kodwa sazoxaka lengane wena uzolo kuyiletha kanje ngalokuxoxa abakocela ukuqa ngedolo phansi ngongaleka mina ungazi wena athi and like first day when I saw this little man wasondela kumina ongivula izandla igazi liyakhuluma ongivula izandla wafika wabambelela la kumina enika sick yabona.
Yeah.
Abonje ngoba ebeka izandla ematolweni nami iyancanyisa ukuthi hayi wena umjeke ngompela asikazi simbone umjeke Feso engikhohlwe la feeling unkosazane wazalelwa empilweni yami ngabona nto.
Yeah.
I was there and ngikhumbula I used to take out money out of my own pockets, like, yeah, one of the legs, like, oh, me, yeah, make sure that she's happy, she's smiling. I want to know,
Yeah.
like, I was willing to make a loan for them. I want to know. Lambonga futhi iweshe umelisa lelo ukuthi elangisiza with the explore because the pitch was even preventing like when awekho like fruits of my harvest, like I ain't getting none to you, but you have sucked like me like close to 50K. Ngakaze ngisebenze ngisho ukusebenza when weshe kahle uzoyiletha la empilweni yami kanjani uthi happiness baba. So of me knowing, getting more to know my daughter was filling up that gap of me not being around with my firstborn.
Yeah.
I gave her all the love. When I feel like doing something, I don't drink anymore. I don't go to those parties of mine because iwunga isiumbanga scomblas. I rather go and buy it and smoke it on my own.
But you were still teaching.
I just felt like there's no need to like make it balance for the public no more. Ukuthi abantu bazosiya opposayo nopemayo. Yabona?
Yeah.
Opemayo usendlini yakhe akazini. wase usiya ophuzayo ohamba ngale moto le ngafuna umamezala
Yeah.
ayibona into le. And you would even say, hey, I only hang with them gangsters because I'm a son of a gangster.
Hey.
My uncle is a gangster.
Okay, nale ngifuna ukuyibuza khona. Ukwathi ubaba wakho kwaboshwa. Phatha umalume wakho kwaboshwa. Phatha nawe kwaboshwa. Mawubheka lolu khondolo. Lomkhuba oqhamuka.
Lomkhuba lona so uncela ngohlelo lwekhehla lohlelo lomkhondo wesizwe ngohlelo leMK. That is when my family got meets up with the 26 gangsterism.
Yeah.
Cause me I was sold because my wife is 28 we ufune olinye ikhaya. Like how mama ngigonya mina angafuna ukutshela phela usanga ngaba uzophapha kakhulu abantu ngabahloniphi ufuna ukuabuser yonke lento le yabo busufuna nani uthi kusetshenziswe amandla kini namandla kayihlo ngendlela engasiyona kanti konke engikufunayo
uza amandla
kanti engikufuna ukuthi uwona kwakho ukuthi uma uzonela wena uzenzele wena yayibona negama lakho uzakhele wena ungacashi ngami.
Yeah.
So he always like he always wanted to see me with my own things. He always wanted one good for me, bro. So by the time I was like, singing more deeper. I wanted to into family and stuff.
Yeah.
But when he even tried to do arrange the merit and stuff. There was a time where it's coming from the UK.
Yeah.
Back in the days, Shaikona, I can't my paper by the time ANC, the world is free, 94 and stuff. They are free to do anything now. I always wanted to go to London now. I'm sure this kid I'm figuring London, I figured some shop nyana, I bought a shop. Lo msaka gcine etswempo agcine opens man shop yabona into leyo mfethu. And then kunengane ntombazana. Look at how crooked my father is, right? Makeba. Yayibona ngane yakho lena. Isikhipha ngamakhala. Kana la wangifundile. Wadokotelele ufundele. Athi nje. Badlalela. Hayi njani mesibashadisa. Ngesizwe ikhanda phela.
Yazi nomuntu okuba right for wena lo ngokucabanga kwami. Kodwa manje uthi ukhethele. Kodwa nawo namakhosi, yazi izingane zamakhosi ziyakhethela. Ingane inkosi yami iyakhethela ingane.
Manje ngiyona ingane inkosi. Inkosi yami nje ngokuthi baba wami.
Even nabelungu bayakwazi ukuthi beyiprotect lena. Umndeni orich uganiselana nomndeni orich futhi okuzwana. Hayi ukuthi uvela usukumeli.
I know he meant well, eh? The thing is, she was way too like kind of like me. I want like more freaks, man. I want to go to the kitchen naked and stuff. We call this drop, we call it like kitchen. Can't talk so good. No, I want to do it. Say my thing now, please. I want to.
Yeah.
Lazy. Yeah. So couldn't just give me free.
There was a work.
She always reports her dad. Everything's funny. Reports her dad because she lost her mother at a very young age, and like a boring kind of virgin, kind of stuff.
What told you?
I'm telling you, it's me now. No, like who's gonna sell that? Huh? I'm way too dope now. I'm like, see, man. I'm jealous. Hey, would you take me, like me as an ordinary guy? I was waiting over from different trees. That's how I love harvest. And like, you're not serious, miss. That's serious, and then like, we figure. Sasa ngimuthi yakha bona nto le. Mina ngimthandela ukuthi she's like the second loan. Without me going to the bank, I just phone. Sanibona, Mtwana, Makeva. You teaching me more about my surname than my father used to do. Give me the I'm more than happy to hear that. Can you come and see me? Because, you know, if I had a car, I would have come and see you. And I stopped there. See, no, the car is for me and you. Like, she's more down with the thing. Her father's already told her that, like, say, Galega is my long brother.
Manje Ntono suyihlathi manje hey.
Mina. I don't even see this golden tick fucking hair. And then, me, I'm fucking busy, nigga. Me, I just need her purse and the car. Because
lalela yazi mina ngokubuka kwami ubaba wakho wayeneplat now ngoba ukuba uhlangananga nalosikhotheni kuyena okufaka idakamizweni nani yotholana nobabili izidididi nifundisane nobabili manje ukuthola manje wona usubuye ehlathini vele
mina vele sezokunethile nami ngiyaphela naposek ngiyaphela
yazi khona wathi abantu abahlukumezekile bahlukumeza abanye nabo abantu abalimele balimaza abanye nabo othandweni uma uzohlangana nomuntu uzothandana naye kanti uphuma lapha delinyazwe khona
umuntu okuthanda
ufaka phansi kweyimoto
yabo mina lengane umamkhulu umangane yami intombazana
yeah
no matter how rusty she sees me as rusty as I am I know that you wouldn't tell this when I'm my bra.
Yeah.
You wouldn't much rusty, but knowing ufana noyise lo engi begela ngaye with how did he ended up being gangster kind mampinch yabona nje so she doesn't mind even that much. I had to tell her with you know what, babe, just live your life. Live your life, man. I know you still hopes and sees me as a change maker. I do want to change. I do want to come back to you. She's that kind of a person. Once you start talking something emotional,
yeah,
she wouldn't cry in front of you. She wanna cry in your shoulder, you know. I don't know if I care. Cause she was like, I thought I was just taking her for a ride. Ngizobhodla indaba kaMelisa noThobeka again. Mama manje ukuthi uzothola imithwalo abantu abawuthu. Bekungcono ukuthobeka kuphela because kwakuMelisa yethu. UMelisa noThobeka.
Hey my vela usune mindset ebheda ngoba
yabona nto because and uma wakhe by the time mina naye sazama ukucatha lesana raising a daughter together.
Yeah.
And mina I'm in that part of timer that goes to the poor kids. So I'm being respected.
Yeah.
I wanna yes me, I just still see myself as a youngster. I still wanna smoke, I still wanna freak, I still wanna party, I still wanna do things that I never do.
Yeah.
I never did when I was growing up. And I even told Babu, yes, I know I'm not saying I'm blaming you much, but I wish you would have let me fuck the kids at least. You know? You were so much afraid that I was gonna get hurt. And loko ngibangele ukuthi ngiwe ngizimangiwa ngivuke kanzima. And ayikho into ebuhlungu ukubona inyembezi zomzali wakhe eyiblame cause uzosho something to make you feel right.
Yeah.
And I blame it on me, Galela. I go ahead.
Yeah.
When you were protecting me in this part of the environment engikhulele kuyona. When ukhulele ku-environment ubusaba into eyodwa kuphela, insangu notshwala. Mina insangu utshwala ingithi.
Iwuma.
Iferoke yabona amantombazane. Tshwala insangu. Now kuningi kumina. So don't expect me to I would live balancedly like you. No, there are much more challenges judging from the society that I'm living with. I say no, Pops. What I know is what I know now.
Vele ishayisile manje.
Sishayisile manje. Fanele sisi wethu from manje. Wasisikhothela ukuthi wena ifaka amanzi manje. Ishayile endlini seyishayile endlini. Yabona inkinga iningi manje sekuyiphathele bits manje. Noma kenika manje. Bayibona.
Umuntu
Kodwa mfethu abangase bangilahla. They always want to help.
like
Kodwa manje yazi ngishawa yini ba? Ngishawa into yodwa. These guys are helping son and the daughter of mine. Every day, like daily, baba ikhokhela ingane sekhaya. Zombili. That makuvela ithuba lekankosi ukuthi ekuse wathi mekhuluma futhi Umbovu, he was kind of a man that was being dictated by his wife.
yeah.
So uma Khotsama umkhwekazi wami ngo-2021 wasinikeza full access of the child. Because that's what even the mother wanted.
Yeah.
Sinikeza full access of the child. What's what? Tina, we don't mind taking care of our own.
Yeah.
Because siyambona ufana noyise la. Yabo, uma ufana noyise, awula ngiro kama nasiya.
Hey.
Ilo ufana noyise. Yabo, so
Like usebenza awusasebenza.
yeah, ngisasebenza phela kanye ngiye ukusebenza. Qala kwa 2017 I started not going to school. Yabo,
Ngaphandle nje kwesizathu.
Apparently I was seeing myself like abantu, they could see that I'm no longer size 38. Well done.
Cha iyona lento iqala nini uku-affect iqala nini ukulimaza icace ngisho egazini ukuthi
Lento iqala ukungilimaza by the time la khona sengasakwazi ukuyibalansisa. Yabona nto. I cannot work the whole day without smoking. Kanti my dose was way too minimized. It was only smoke when vuga,
yeah.
I get dressed,
Yeah.
I was more of old school kind of teacher because, being raised as a gentleman, like being taught like how to dress up as a gentleman.
Yeah.
Make sure that everything you do, man, faithful. Afana, maboma ithanda izinto. Yabona ethanda izinto.
Hey right.
Ethanda izinto right. Yabona.
Yeah.
Faithful. Make sure that there's something in your wrist. Yabona. Where's the watch? Hey. Yeah, that's a nigga, man. Nothing ifuna. Hey, we phone what? No, how manage? Yeah. Let me try for him. Something. God, nothing but this cool.
Yeah.
Man, God, but this cool. I wish. We look the ends with you drive here. And then okay. Oh, it's not such old. When's that much? Such a very one my ever learned to say my cousin Highland. Yeah, but let's call it so funny singer. That's something too. It's a little part right now. I want to he always bring pride side in me.
Like enkulumeni yethu yonke kuvela ubaba irole kamama ibithini
irole kamama it's whatever issue ubaba wakho. I'm down with this. Yabo umama
umfazi ke lo
umama akekho umuntu abe esikhumbuzo ukuthi simsabe simhloniphe nje ubaba. She was
why not?
Me bra, she could even like look as a pawn in a chess game. But she's a queen. You wouldn't get to the king without seeing the queen. Like she is more busy with church stuff, more busy, happy other people. Since there's church ekhaya,
Yeah.
happy emphakathi, sisabanye abantu. Wabona nto le?
Yeah.
Even like money wise, yabona ekhaya. Not even like much. And khona abantu abawodre abahlala ekhaya. Free. Yabona nto le? Cause unale anhliziyo. Yabona. Kehla. Hey, mama ngidakela ngoba ngumfundisi. Hey, mawaka. Ayihlanzi indlu manje. Hey, indaba lezi abantu bahleli mahala la. Hey, mina nje imali kimi. Abumfundisi Ndlovukazi ke blikini manje. Uthe ucela kanti ukuthi simuphi inyanga embi. Uyabona ke wavuma mama wakhe. Wavuma. What amamkwena? 2 months. Ama-1000 amabili uhleli umuntu mahala. Sokwenza njani kodwa ke Ndlovukazi ngoba phela usushilo wethemba lami usilungise. Mina ngoba phela wena wazi. Kodwa imali sayidinga.
Uyazi ukuthi uma umuntu wesilisa, umuntu wesifazane ekuhlonipha ugcina usomsaba. Uma into eyenza awukabavuli nje kuze kweqe. Kodwa uyazazi ukuthi ugcina.
I could tell you something was I could see my pop's car, seeing that there's someone in the front seats that has lost my mom. What do you do in that situation? No, I just neutralize, chillax. I picked the nigga. Like, yeah, said I got my boom. When flush him shoe, I saw you. Kasebe. Ay, boom, ngishayela masalati lana. Lang nephew mina endlini. See that shit one day when you're a man who get onto the party of unkulu wami. Yabona that how smart the man was, eh?
Yeah.
I always say. Manje. I always say I want to play like him.
Like wena mongathola ithuba lokuma eduze kwengane yakho ungasiqinisa isandla yobade siqinile. Like
ngeke. I don't even see myself.
Konje manje sibheke ngasekudleni hour manje. Ngifuna ucacisela abantu because namanje khona abantu abayenza lo nto. Ukuthi manje umphakathi ohlukene phakathi. Kunabantu abathi ingane emeli uyithande ube umngani wayo ungasuka eduze kwayo ikutshele zonke izinto ingathi mayisenkingeni ifike. It's like ubaba wakho benza yonke le nto leyo.
Yeah.
But ekugcineni kodwa nawe unabantu lapha na ohlala.
I want to share my thoughts with my peers.
Yeah.
I want to let it be ukuthi yena akabe free. Yabona nto.
Yeah.
Abe free in such a way ukuthi
idle ngentambo kodwa.
Ingayidaleli kakhulu. Bayabona nto leyo. Mina bengayidaleli at all. Yabona nto leyo.
Ibingadliwa yikona.
Hayi. Ayisuki le duze kwayo into enkulu. Iyangitshela efesini ukuthi you're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Wena you're not going anywhere. Wena you my bra wena.
Futhi wakuthatha uzokushiya mfowethu phakathi emsebenzini mfowethu.
Like
iphutha umelisa mfowethu.
This thing of you not wanting to letting me fly on my own. Let me spread my wings, like say.
Awukhuluma nabantu abenza leyo nto kwamanje.
Ngiyabatshela ukuthi mina bayiqhelanisa kakhulu nengane zabo. Because izinto abazosala nazo ama memories. Abanye they ending up losing ingane. Kunabafowethu abasi they don't see themselves going back at home at all. Yeah. Kunabafowethu abadisown you out there. Ayibona nto leyo.
Yeah.
Who doesn't even care ukuthi ngingase ngibuyele emafeni kanandaba. Yabona uthi keep even that education you gave me. I'm more free where I am.
Yo.
Yabona there's so much love under the bridge, bro. There's so much psychologists, there's so much psychiatrists, there's so much counselors there's so much doctors, there's so much surgeons. Like say, like, there are a hell lot of people there selling their stories in the different way, different method. When isikhala sakho ukuthi wake waletha umuntu emhlabeni, wamletha ngisi, wamshiya nengqondo ukuthi wamhlukumeza. Can you imagine no muntu umethola indlela ukuba free drug wise? He just see the drug as the family he never had.
Nazi idakamizwa, nazi intombi.
Uchamba paxulana lapha. You get the pussy for 10 rand. Get the pussy for 10 mil. Mfethu. Who wants to go back to umuntu ofuna ukumkhethela ukuthi akashade nobani, afike esikhaya ngesikhathi ubani. Yabona nto le. So umuzali iba neutral. Yabona nto?
Yeah. Ayidle ngetabo mina ngisho
mfethu bambisana naye, bambisana naye wena iba abona lamathama lawa aya nendodana yakhe wona isingena ethaveni.
Yeah.
Ashayopho yababili nayo.
Yeah.
Athi wangibiza ngobaba. Athi my bra. Athi woza lapho enkeve yabona ndani. Athi fika upendo. Athi manje ngicore into nomehora. Nabona iyadidenge into. Ngiyabuya kodwa usitwa kwa ukahla sami no. Yabona nto uyabuza ukhenxela ibhlue. It's showing you ukuthi nobody's perfect. Yeah. We need like more of abantu which they wouldn't be scared of saying, hey, ingane yakho yenza iphuzo. That's what our parents were scared of. Kama lo mndeni isibongo sodicileka apart forgetting with what mina I would like to explore.
Yeah.
Cause like to know some shit now.
Most ingane zona impela kuyakhalisa idakamizweni, i-background yabo i-right, ingane ikhule ngesilungu, but it's sad. Asazi ke ukuthi yini edinga la, cause sina sikhule sihlupheka thina nakho singaneno thina.
Ngiyibona yazi ngoba nina buthi noma uyibuela ngalona ntwa udla wakho kusendlini yakho. Ayibona.
Yeah.
Mina ngizoqobelela ukuthi indawo athi ngingekho ngithi la seyibo.
Thina bese kanjani sikhula thina besihamba se-groundini but kunesikhathi sokubuya. Si free lapha nesikhotheni siyahlala ngo6 ucabanga iwash lengekho kodwa u6
usumaziyelanga mfethu.
Mawufike seshayela u6 awuzobola induba. Uzobola induba nawe uyazi ukuthi usenjeni. Umfana wenkomo umelazi ukuthi ngizodlala ngidlale
hambe ngemadlelweni ngiyobheka impahla yakhe ehla mfethu.
Leyo freedom leyo ngicabanga ukuthi iyona umuntu asuke idinga mina. We understand lo freedom yokuthi aninike
ukuthi ube nezifihlo nama peers akho. Yabona abazali bakho bangazi yonke into ngawo.
Hey,
yabona lento le ube namahlazo of which hey you shit. Yabo mina enkandla mina bengumngani mfana ngabiyela.
Yeah.
Ngabiyela umndeni omkhulu ohloniphekile. Indlovukazi yakhona beyisona salukazi ngisazi esinisikete sikaBrenwood. Yazo mfethu amabhluku ekhehle lathi inflakhele emhlabeni salukazi sajona sikhumbuzo sekhehle esinaso lesi.
Yeah.
Yes. Ugogo uphatha i38 ndodana wanikezwa iGlock likayisi uyisaflathela emhlabeni.
Yeah.
Wanikwe iGlock kwathiwa noma izimo enganjani ndodana kodwa nangu umngani. Ingisi leli sokukhuluma epolice station konke. Kodwa wena okobe kuphambi kwakho ngoba nawe labo bathandayo bake baba phambi kwazi. Wasala yena lo. Wangizwa. Lona fa lakho leli. Yayizwa lonto le. So uPunu was the most powerful stick fighter I know, my bra. Shine lamfana shayile ikolo lamfana bengisi mina mangibuya athi ikabe yami uthema udebate lapho hamba kanjani. Ithi mina ngiwesele sesiyangazi nginka ndibenga abashaya undibenge ubaqhulu ngifakeni yona akusafuqa le ngasifake lamabhande lawa abonwa isizwe ngizwa mfowethu ngifuna ukhuluma sesinye ukhombisa enye into ukukhuluma manje ukuthi uyabona manje umuntu usuyakwazi ukugala ngebhande ngafela ngabavithiza nje ngetalent la into futhi phela ngibizelwe kule nto ngithi ingane yama athi ngabashayi bengibhekithe kodwa ngcono ukhona umphuthi ngabuya ngibongela yabo like lapho so he showed me the rural side of yabo lonto leyo so of which wathi masekubizwa yena ukuthi hey Paul fika futhi upura wami yabo lonto fika upura wami khala mina empesi masingaleka kuwena lo yathi kuwena lo mfethu because ngamjita ngamfica represent u7 yabo lonto so represent u7 ngafika mina nganikala manje akwazi benzeka kanje mina ufuna ukuba people njengaleli phansi ayishaya ingane tsampo yabona
what is called isincane isikole isincane
yabona mina angiyifuni ingane mina funa securities there's so much of a fucking bullying la boarding school in securities and umsa kushaza konke insizwe ushaza shaya students teacher nomfana ngikabi le man ngizembe bathi ke sejani lo wazi ukuthi ayebusisi lo mchini mina ephone athi la mama athi ufuna ukubala ngithi ungambaleki sibhalile lo homework athi usho kanje ngapi sure bisobiyela yebo sakubona thisha sibiso ngicela ungiboleke exercise la ngimjakisha le yonke nomntu ogcina ukubhala idate yokuqala kuvula let's call it ingane ibhanki isemi yonke le nje futhi i-situation yakhe understanding because uba umkhulu wakhe noma wakhe basho nabelela iPC yamatekisi i-United Association le yasenkandla kuyiyona edonsayo manje i-version yamkhulu wakhe so abo lonto leyo ukuthula kwalethwa ayibona kwaphela nezimpi zeyigodi ngegazi lo mndeni wakhe yabo lonto leyo umuntu ohlonishwayo yabona kuyashiwo ukuthi ayivo engayabhuni understandeka because walahlekelwa umkhulu noyise belwela ukuthi kube nokuthula yabo lonto so that is why I wanted to help this guy because man yabona ukuthi this something good yabona mina mpra ngiyakwazi ukuthi athi lemi khona yabona ngiyakholelwa ezintweni engabonwa abantu ezintweni engali so that's why impethu even namanje wazi ukuthi bafuthi iswena sengibe inspiration close to maybe 10 people of people who are living the drug in despite of the things that I say ngihayi mina ngidangela ngihlanyela me I don't think I just talk I believe ukuthi into ongayicabanganga there's always something good that is going to come out of it because it's telling it like it is yabona nto hlezi ngimtshela unkosazana ukuthi mama ungalindi ukuthi utshenwe ukuthi wenzeni if you see a chance grab it if you see a chance grab it ongaleka amakhonkas don't wait for my permission to apply for any life-changing moment come and tell me that you've already applied for that thing because I do want to see you in upper heights I want you only the sky is the limits bona
wefana noyisi
but
kunomunye ubafate khona la nayo ke wabaseyidakamizweni usephumile
mfowethu
ungasifakazela yena ukuthi umuntu oseyidakamizweni akagcini ngokumosha impilo yakhe kuphela noma amoshe kuze kuyolimala nomndeni wakhe kepha ulimaza nabanye kuze kuyolimala nomndeni wakhe like nje isibonelo wena wahlangana noMelisa wakufaka idakamizweni ngoba yena wayelento ayiyona njengamanje yona ukulesi simo kusona
kodwa yena ngamkhipha mina
weze kwahamba kwayolimala ngisho umndeni wakhe emuva ngoba umuntu oseyidakamizweni akupheleli kuyena kodwa uhlukumezeka nomndeni. Uthini uPaula wakho enkulumeni njengaleyo ngasiphawulela uthini?
And bahetheka kakhulu because whatever they do, they're doing it like babone ngasi bayakufeyila. Yabona loo nto?
Yeah.
Bona bahetheka kakhulu. Then when are you having fun, when you're exploring, when at the end of the day, even though the explore is like some balance, demand is more than the supply,
yeah,
of which you have to see kaya and stuff. Probably I keep udle without knowing what okuletha emhlabeni kuhlile. Lokho angeke ngize ngisho ngani judging from ubona unkosazana egula ngisasempilweni yakhe until she gets better ngimncengela ukuthi adle and now me sengiyaphuma edladleni yayibona lona ngiyakuzwa ukuthi how it feels for indlovukazi ubamkwena inkosi ungaleka bafika abantu la ekhaya bathola usizo, they getting consulted, they getting married sisontweni phela la ekhaya khona into enhle ehlezi zokwenzeka isonto nesonto yabo lonto and ngapha ukuthi waziwa umuhle umshado wena uphusiya
yo.
Can you imagine how cozy, how awkward that moment is?
Fana noyisa.
Yabo lonto.
Wefana noyisa.
Hold.
Nina bendlo nhleno phapha ekhanda kamenzi indaba ulalelele umuntu omemezayo. Omemeza ngathi yakhalela lelo uthi igula lika Jamal lichithekile, awulina bakamputu bomvu bathi ufana negroups. Bathi ufana negazi. Bathi siqhwaga siyadla sidlondlobele sibeke isihlanga emadolweni. Usubuke wezokwazi ukuthi ufike la, siyacela ucindezele subscribe button, ucindezele nebell. Ucindezele wakhe ibell kuzokubeka emathubeni amahle ukuthi makhona esinye isiqephu esisiposayo. Uzuthi mawungena ngaphakathi bese kuyitholela isiqephu sangalolo suku. Ngakho ke mawufuna umfo kaNgaleka abuye for upart 3 siyacela ngaphansi ku comment box ubhale uthi part 3 and makhona imibuzo mhlawumbe onayo ngaye ibhale ukuze ezothi mayifika ufika sengwazi
umisiphendulo
yazi ngifuna ke mawubuya bafu sithathe kuphi awukaze weze waya deep ngokusixoxela nje ukusuka nokuhlala ke kwento eziyagcina ikukhiphe esikoleni straight ukuthi nje manje ke mina ngisavuka and I reaction yabazali bakho mawungasayi esikoleni umphakathi mosubona kaluhlelo ungasasebenza ngaphandle kuxoshwa ngaphandle zane yebo yonke le nto leso I think izo zonke izinto lezo okumele uzosenabela ngazo uma uphinda ubuya mhlawumbe nami ngizozama ukuphinda ngihlome ngembuzo engizoba nayo ukuze ukwazi ukuthi usicathulise istar esinjengawe ngicabanga ukuthi sizosiza abantu abaningi ekuthenini bengagcini nabo bewele into kanjena. Mina igama lami nguprofessor ngingokaMkhize ngidamuka phansi kwaNongoma isigodini sakwabheka umthetho ngasohlangothini la kaMadlakazi sancenga.